na ating munggo guys. Kunting tiis na lang, no, maluluto na siya. Ating munggo. Palo na natin na yun. Maghihintay ng ating hipusong anak. Titingnan natin yung munggo natin kung luto na. Good morning dito sa aking live. Hello and good morning guys. Ayan po yung aking munggo guys. Luto na to. Ayan po yung aking munggo guys. Good morning to viewers and 6 viewers watching me. Okay. Ayan na po yung ating munggo. Okay. So luto na. So, thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for watching me. Ayan na po yung ating munggo. No, luto na. Ang sahog lang yan guys ay isda. Okay. Thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching my daily life Lala Vlog. Okay. So, hello, 3 viewers watching me. Thanks for watching guys. Please support me and like and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Ito na po yung ating munggo. Gagawa muna ako ng kalamansi sa aking partner. Okay, inumin nyo ito.